What is an anal douche? And how do you use it? What if I'm a complete beginner? Don't worry, today I'll explore everything about anal douches in this video. So, an anal douche is used to clean your intimate areas in a safe and clean way. They're usually very similar in design, and today I'm going to be showing you 2 anal douches and of course how to use one. Here we have the Teasers anal douche, bright in colour and easy to use as well. So this anal douche is suitable for both men and women. Most anal douches are unisex and can be used to intimately clean every area. This anal douche can be used just before anal sex or anything related to anal play. So step 1 is to remove the reservoir, and the reservoir is this tip at the top just here. Gently wiggle it and it's removed. The next step is to fill it with lukewarm water, not cold, not hot, lukewarm. Once it's almost filled to about this point just here, put the reservoir back in, gently wiggle it back in as demonstrated, until it's completely pushed in like so. Then what you're going to do is gently pushing it into the anus. You're going to squeeze the bulbous area as demonstrated until it's completely empty. We recommend to use the anal douche 3 to 4 times to make sure you get the maximum cleanliness of your anus. You can also use a bit of lubricant just here if you have trouble inserting as well. This makes it extra comfortable for you during use. The next step is very important. If you wish to use the douche both anally and vaginally, then we highly recommend always to clean both the inside and the outside with lukewarm water, toy cleaner, or a mild antibacterial soap to minimise the risk of bacteria getting through. Here we also have the Butter Gleaming Jack anal douche. As you can see, the Teasers anal douche is very small in size compared to the Butter one. Both work in exactly the same way and are very simple and easy to use. Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other product videos in this collection? Do you have a question you'd like to ask us? We'd love to hear from you. Why not drop a comment below with your question and we'll get back to you.